Why is a company's financial planning and analysis team critical? It's quite simple. They manage the company's budget. Consider the budget a roadmap for the company's direction next year. Without it, like any journey, it's easy to lose our way or forget our destination. The FP&A team plays a crucial role in a company's operations, and by the end of this video, you'll understand these key aspects. By the way, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, this is the perfect time to do so because we provide career-enhancing finance tutorials weekly. Alright. As I was saying, a company's budget contains the goals set for the next year, or the next couple of years, and includes a detailed plan for achieving these goals. Planning identifies potential opportunities and bottlenecks, and helps management make important decisions when leading the company toward its goals. Nearly every company relies on a budget for daily operations, whether it's the corner gelato shop or Walmart. Planning is an essential part of corporate finance and is a key tool for any firm that wants to stay in business. Imagine a small bakery aiming to boost its annual net income by $12,000. It can simply hope everything works out, or, more sensibly, create a budget that shows how extra revenue will be generated and where costs might be reduced. By pinpointing specific tactics, like expanding its product line or trimming certain expenses, the bakery can significantly increase its chances of meeting that financial target. Effective budgeting is crucial for complex businesses with multiple product lines, income sources, and types of expenditures. A conglomerate like P&G has 5 main business divisions: baby and family care, beauty, healthcare, grooming, and home care. Each division offers numerous products, necessitating a budget to organize activities and manage finances effectively. But despite the FP&A team's solid efforts in budget preparation, it's natural for deviations to occur as the year progresses and plans are implemented. This is where the FP&A team's role becomes even more critical. They don't just prepare the budget and leave it at that. Instead, they continuously monitor the company's performance against the budgeted figures. This process, known as variance analysis, identifies areas where the company is overperforming or underperforming. The FP&A team also incorporates this latest information to update the budget for the upcoming periods. Such updates are done monthly or quarterly and are called forecasts. As a financial year unfolds, the numbers forecasted in the budget become more reliable and accurate. As you can see, a firm's FP&A team significantly contributes to improved business planning and strategic decision-making. Working in this finance department is challenging because specific periods of the year require significantly more effort and time commitment due to the intense workload. Nevertheless, working hand-in-hand with key decision-makers who will help you forecast financials can be incredibly rewarding. This gives you the feeling that you're directly contributing to the company's success and gaining valuable insights into its strategic operations. To become a skilled FP&A practitioner, you need strong analytical skills, a solid accounting and financial analysis foundation, and Excel proficiency. Additionally, data visualization skills and soft skills like effective communication, teamwork, and problem-solving are essential. Solving real-world financial analysis problems is the best preparation for the job. If all this sounds exciting and you want to become an FP&A practitioner, I highly recommend joining the 365 Financial Analyst program. We teach you all the necessary skills from the ground up. You'll learn accounting, basic and advanced Excel, and financial analysis. We have a specially crafted FP&A course for you in which you will learn how to build a company's budget from scratch. Moreover, you'll have the opportunity to solve real-world projects, which will make you job-ready and an obvious hire for recruiters. There's a link in the description if you're interested. Thank you for staying until the end of our video. See you in the next one. Cheers!